Hi everybody, another day, another unboxing, and I really didn't expect to do an unboxing this weekend because I'm away doing a modified run, car event. I'm gonna blog about it, and I forgot my bag with my spare shoes at home. And usually when I'm away, or in this case, I had 3 pair of shoes to drive in, 2 Adidas Climate Cool, Jordan 1 when I'm gonna go racing, and 2 sneakers for the evening. And I forgot my bag, so I only had 1 pair of Climate Cool. And I can't go a full day with the same pair of shoes, and I absolutely not can go a full weekend with the same pair of shoes. So I'm in a small city called Kalmar, and they do nothing about sneakers here. I called around, I asked around on Facebook, I googled. They have no clue about sneakers here. I called Stadium, 2 of the stores, or I probably only had 2. They didn't answer. I called Intersport. They answered and I had no clue about anything. But finally, I found these Nike Ebernon Mid, a very cheap pair of shoes, 699 kronor. That's about $75 or something. And they are yet another silhouette from Air Jordan 1, Nike Air Force 1 High, SB Dunk, Dunk High, Royal High. It's the same silhouette. We have the older silhouette. Air Force 1 07 goes a little slimmer here, and the old Air Jordan 1 goes like this. So the silhouette is more like a retro Air Jordan 1 Mid with this was high. But a cheap pair of shoes. We have the swoosh. The leather quality isn't bad. It's pleather, but much better than your standard Air Force 1 today. We have Nike in cursive in the rear, and we'll probably have something on the tongue as well. Yeah, a leather tag, and I like them. As I said, the leather quality is softer than your standard off-the-shelf Air Force 1. The silhouette is a classic silhouette, all white, and the white is good because we have the. I'm sweating. We have the same white on the swoosh, the shoe, and the sole, and the inside. And for the money, $75. Even if I'm just gonna wear them once, I like them a lot. So I'm gonna go on foot now and then I close the curtain because it's really sweating here. Be right back. I got pretty bad lighting here in the hallway, so I'm using the flash on my camera. I hope it doesn't make it look weird, but they feel good, true to size, or really soft, not in the cushion, but in the material. As I said earlier, the leather, pleather, whatever, is way better than your average Nike Air Force 1. A bit hassle to put on, and that's why we stop with the 90-degree angle at the ankle, because then you have to loosen it up all the way to get your foot in. The Nike Air Force 1 from 2007 and forward are more better. Maybe not as good looking in the silhouette, but better and easier to get your foot in. It's bigger here. Yeah, you don't understand what I mean. So this is the old look, the 90-degree look. So for me, I hate to loosen up and tie the laces. I used to keep them like this, and they stay on foot, so that's good. They maybe look a bit chunky. I'm gonna show you from above. Let me turn off the flash.
So yeah, they look a bit chunky, I think. I have big feet. I have US 12, but I don't know. Maybe a bit big. But once again, for the money, they're all good. Maybe the cursive Nike logo there in the rear. I'm not so sure about that one, but a great pair of shoes actually. White sneakers, mid, well, I will call them high tops. They're good. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks.